In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pepperstone to MT4. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your Pepperstone trading account up and running in MetaTrader 4 with no guesswork. First, make sure you have a Pepperstone account that's specifically set up for MT4. When you're signing up, choose MT4 as your platform, not MT5 or CTrader, because each platform uses different servers and logins. After your account is approved, Pepperstone will send you three key details: your login ID, your password, and the exact server name for your account. Keep that email handy. You need all three to connect successfully, and the server name must match exactly as provided. If you have multiple accounts, note that each one has its own unique combination of login and server. Keep your password secure and don't share it. Next, download MT4. You can get it from Pepperstone's website or directly from the MetaTrader site. Install it on your computer or your mobile device, then open the platform. Pepperstone fully supports MT4, so you'll have access to the features and tools you need right away. If you already have MT4 installed from a previous broker, that's fine. You can still log in with your Pepperstone details inside the same app. Now let's log in. On the desktop platform, click File, then Log in to Trade Account. Enter your Pepperstone login ID, paste in your password to avoid typos, and select the correct server from the list. The server must match the one in your email exactly. Typical server names may look like Pepperstone Edge 01 or a similar format. If you don't see your server, use the search box to find it or type it in as shown. Make sure caps lock isn't on, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Then click Login. On mobile, go to Settings, choose to log into an existing account, search for Pepperstone, pick the matching server, and enter the same login and password. Finally, confirm you're connected. Look at the bottom right of the desktop platform for the connection bars. Green activity bars indicate you're online and receiving data. You should also see your account balance appear under Navigator, then Accounts. If you see no connection or your balance doesn't load, double-check the server selection, verify your login and password, and ensure you chose an MT4 account. A quick restart of the platform can help as well. That's it. With the correct MT4 account, the proper download, an exact server match, and a confirmed connection, you're ready to start trading through Pepper.